guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So I received a bunch of products from NYKAA and Amazon. Actually, I ordered some skincare products from NYKAA and cookware products from Amazon, and today I received all these products. So I thought I'll share these products with you guys. So this video is gonna be a shopping haul kind of video. Alright, if you are interested to see my shopping vlog, then please keep on watching. So let's start with this NYKAA product first. So the first product is this Klairs freshly juiced vitamin C serum. This is a brightening face serum, you guys. I already tried one bottle of this before and this is my second purchase. You can use this product along with their vitamin E mask. It will help to brighten up your skin as this is a vitamin C serum. The next product is this Plum Body Oil. It's the variant Vanilla Vibes. I already tried their Hawaii Rumba variant and guys, I absolutely love their body oils. So I thought let's try out the Vanilla Vibe one and I will let you know guys my reviews on this product. Alright, next product is this Neutrogena Bright Boost Brightening Complex Cream. I already tried their blue one, that's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. So this product is their newly launched, so I thought let's try out this product. This is the packaging, you can see it's looking too beautiful and yeah, it's an illuminating face cream. So yeah, this is the all three products that I have received from NYKAA. Now moving on to the Amazon product, this is the Wonderchef cookware item and it's purple in color. It has one curry pan, one frying pan and one dosa pan. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how these products look like. Okay, this is the warranty card and it comes with 2 years of warranty. So this is the Nonstick Cookware set and it's also induction based. This is the frying pan and it comes with this glass lid, very sturdy handle as you can see. This is the curry pan as you can see. Earlier I used the Prestige ones and I have heard so many good reviews on Wonderchef products, so I thought let's give this product a try. Basically all the Wonderchef products are good quality, you guys, and also they look good. So yeah, these are all the three products you can see. So that's all for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm gonna try out these products and I will let you know my reviews on these products, guys. So yeah, if you love this video, please do give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and yeah, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. So on that note, I'm gonna signing off now and I'll see you soon guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.